Investing in the stock market, real estate, or any other asset class has traditionally been a time-consuming and expensive endeavor. However, with the rise of online investment platforms, it has become easier than ever to invest in a variety of opportunities from the comfort of your own home. We will explore the world of online investment, including different investment opportunities, associated risks, and strategies to make money. Types of online investment opportunities. There are many different types of online investment opportunities available, each with its own risks and potential rewards. Here are a few examples. Stocks. Stocks are the most common type of online investment opportunity. You can buy and sell stocks through online brokerage firms, which allow you to invest in individual companies, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, or mutual funds. Stocks can offer potentially high returns, but they also come with significant risks. Cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have become increasingly popular in recent years. They are decentralized digital currencies that use blockchain technology to facilitate secure transactions. Cryptocurrencies are highly volatile and can experience significant price swings, making them a high-risk investment. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending platforms allow you to lend money to individuals or businesses, earning interest on your investment. This can be a good option for investors looking for steady, predictable returns. However, it's important to research the platform and borrower carefully to minimize the risk of default. Real estate crowdfunding. Real estate crowdfunding platforms allow you to invest in commercial or residential real estate projects. This can be a good option for investors looking to diversify their portfolio and earn passive income. However, real estate investments are illiquid and can be difficult to sell quickly. Risks and strategies to mitigate them. All investments come with risks, and online investments are no exception. Here are some common risks associated with online investments and strategies to mitigate them. Market volatility. Investments in stocks, cryptocurrencies, and other assets can be highly volatile, meaning their value can fluctuate significantly in a short period. To mitigate this risk, consider diversifying your portfolio across multiple assets and sectors. Platform risks. Investing through online platforms can come with platform risks, such as security breaches or bankruptcy. To mitigate this risk, research the platform thoroughly before investing and consider spreading your investments across multiple platforms. Fraud. Online investment scams can be a significant risk. To mitigate this risk, be wary of any investment opportunity that promises high returns with little risk, and always research the company and investment thoroughly before investing. Case studies and success stories. While online investments can come with risks, there are also many success stories of individuals who have made significant profits through these platforms. For example, a woman named Elizabeth White was able to turn $12,000 into $100,000 through real estate crowdfunding, and a man named Eric Finman became a millionaire at age 18 by investing in Bitcoin. Getting started with online investing. To get started with online investing, follow these steps. 1. Research the investment opportunity. Before investing in any opportunity, research it thoroughly to understand the risks and potential rewards. 2. Choose a platform. Choose a reputable online investment platform that aligns with your investment goals. 3. Create an account and fund your investment. Create an account with the online investment platform of your choice and fund your investment with cash or assets. 4. Build a diversified portfolio. Build a diversified portfolio that includes multiple asset classes and sectors to reduce risk. 5. Monitor your investments. Regularly monitor your investments to stay informed about their performance and make adjustments as necessary. Resources for continued education. Online investing is a complex field, and there is always more to learn. Here are some resources to help you continue your education. Investment blogs. There are many investment blogs and websites that provide valuable insights into the world of online investing. Some popular ones include Seeking Alpha, The Motley Fool, and Investopedia. Investment courses. Online investment courses can help you develop your knowledge and skills in a structured way. Some popular courses include those offered by Udemy, Coursera, and Skillshare. Investment communities. Joining an online investment community can provide a valuable source of information and support. Some popular investment communities include Reddit's r/investing and r/personal finance, as well as online forums like Bogleheads and MyMoneyBlog. Online investing offers a variety of opportunities to make money from home, but it also comes with risks. By understanding the risks and strategies to mitigate them, researching investment opportunities thoroughly, and building a diversified portfolio, you can increase your chances of success. Remember to monitor your investments regularly and continue your education to stay informed about the latest developments in the world of online investing.